walk together for a while, just for your own information. I have enough time for us. I'm getting tired of all these matters. I'm trying to bring back the beauty of our life. I need every minute to get to know you. Why not be happy and love all the love somebody who loves you is ready to give you? Let's get together.